Social Science, Class 3rd. Good morning, student. Let's begin with the new chapter, that is Chapter 14, Pottery. From our Environmental Awareness book for Class 3rd. Learning objectives for this chapter is to learn about the art of pottery, to learn about things made of clay. New terms. First word is clay, a sticky material that can be molded when wet. Part of speech, noun. Sentence, clay is used for making bricks and pots. Kiln, large oven used for baking bricks and clay objects. Part of speech, noun. Sentence, clay pots are heated inside the kiln. Coil, a length of rope or wire arranged into circles. Part of speech, noun. Sentence, a coil of thick rope is kept on the table. Let's begin with the chapter. Students, early man are the first humans on the earth. They did not have any knowledge about growing food. Whenever they used to feel hungry, they used to go for hunting. And they used to wander in the forest for food. Gradually, he started sowing seeds and growing crops. After growing crops, he began to feel the need of storing grains. After a lot of efforts and thinking, people began to make pots in which they will store the grains. In earlier times, pots were made by using hands. In the beginning, pot was made up of just pushing the wet ball of clay with hands, or by simply coiling it into the shape. The art of making things out of clay is known as pottery. After the invention of wheel, the life of potters completely changed. The wheel is a platform which spins like a top. When a lump of clay and the wheel is given a push, it spins, as you can see in the picture. The potter uses his hands to shape the lump of clay into a pot. Using this fast wheel, a good potter can make a pot every minute. After that, the pots are kept in the sunlight, and at last they are heated at a very high temperature inside the kiln. This is how the pots are made with the help of potter's wheel. Do you know, students, the potter's wheel was invented by the Chinese people around 5000 BC. After the invention of wheel, pottery became easy for potters. Let's learn how pottery is useful to us. These are the things which are made out of clay and are made by the potters. In villages, people use earthen pots called handi. Food is cooked in them and water is stored in a pitcher called matka. These are called matkas, in which the water is stored in villages. Some people drink tea in earthen cups named kulhar. Curd is set in kundis, and various decorative items and idols of God are made from clay. During Diwalis, diyas are also made of clay. This is the usefulness of pottery. Let's learn one more fun fact related to this chapter. Clay is the substitute for plastic. As using clay pot, it is beneficial for our health. And we should avoid plastic because it pollutes the environment. Second, ghatam is the musical instrument made up of clay. As you can see in this picture, this is called ghatam. It is made out of clay, but it is used as a musical instrument. Let's revise. Question 1. The art of making things out of clay is known as dash. Painting, drawing, craft or pottery? The answer is pottery. The art of making things out of clay is known as pottery. Second question. Pots are heated in dash. Oven, tandoor, gas or kiln? Pots are heated in kiln. Question 3. Clay is the substitute for dash. Wood, stone, tin or plastic? Answer is plastic. Thank you.